Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. But for just our give you a thumbs up. Today we are doing a testing challenge again. Remember last time I ate an orange and an apple and
sugar snap peas?
Sugar peas. And today we are not doing that the same one.
It's different food.
Yeah, and my mom is going to do it and I don't know what it's gonna be.
Okay,
guys.
So I'm gonna blindfold you. No peeking.
I can't see.
Okay. Hey, no peeking. Okay, so let's see that.
My nose.
Here's the first one.
It's a bun.
Close, it's like naan bread. You probably didn't know that word. Yeah. Okay, ready for the second one?
Popcorn.
Okay. Oh, you knew from the feel. Okay, this one.
Mom, don't
Yep.
open it.
Okay, well, you're trying to show everyone what it is before you taste it. Okay, let's see if she'll get this one. Nora's saying, I want to eat it too.
Lemon.
Was it sour?
Lemon.
Yeah, you're right. It was lemon.
Mm.
Yay, you got all the challenges.
Ew.
Ew, was it sour?
Yeah.